Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am opening number 4 Advent gift that Beth Ramsden, Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, and J Dolls and I are doing with and for one another. We each sent one another 8 gifts. 8 times 3 is 24, which worked out perfect for an Advent calendar. These items could be anything at all, doll related, mostly Blythe, but doll related, and this is just really a fun idea. Can I show off my little doll before I reach in? I made this last year. I was going to customize her face as a Friday is what I call the little dolls. That's Wednesday Adams' middle name. And Darren made these spectacular wings for my little angel. I made the outfit. That's a little over. There we go. Darren made the little tiara, and look what we do. I decided not to do her face because I really liked her once she got dressed. But we did add 2 pull strings, and on the mini Blythes, all it does is open and shut the eyes, but it does give you the opportunity to have them standing with their eyes closed or laying down with their eyes open. I just love her, had to show her off. Darren also makes the stands. Let me get her back in it real quick. She's kind of tricky with the wings and beads. All right, let me reach in and get another gift. This one is from Beth Ramsden. Please go by each channel and see what we gave one another. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh, look at this tiny tree. I would not be surprised if Beth didn't make that. Can you see let's put this behind it. Can you see the little bitty button tree topper? Oh, that is so cute. Thank you so much. That is just adorable. For right now, I'm going to set it with my other items that I have received in the Advent calendar. And I'm going to be putting that out. That is adorable. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.